Hey guys, hope you are doing well. My name is Mohammad Danish and we are back with another weekly analysis, and in this week we are going to cover same pair US30 and gold, and we'll see what we predicted last week and how the market behaved, and then followed by the forecast for the next week. So let's dive into the charts and see what we have for the last week and how the market behaved. So this is US30 daily time frame chart we used to analyze for the last week analysis, and it was pretty simple. Like, we were looking for the buy option and this was our zone, and we expect like price will hit this zone and will go bullish. So you see like price just hit and then all the way bullish. Personally, myself with the community, we have taken a buy around 470 here, and we have taken a buy, and this trade give us almost 200-300 pips easily, and we have a very good trade of this. And then we have the gold. So this is the gold chart H4. So this is the same chart we used to analyze for the last week. So it was a perfect prediction and price move exactly the same what we predicted. So we discussed like price will hit there 2690, and this would be the minus zone, and if price respect this, then it would be the bullish move, and you see price respect this and then all the way bullish. So first trade we have taken with the community is, I have shared with them, like the first trade we have taken around 2720 here. So the target for this trade was 2745, but personally I have just only catch 60 to 70 pips on this trade, and then I have closed it. And then the second trade we have taken around this level 2737-38. So this trade again we have taken around 60-70 pips. There was hardly any drawdown for both of these trades, and our target was 2748. So this was a perfect trade, another perfect trade for the last week. So this was the third consecutive profitable trade with along with the US30. And then after that we have fourth trade we have taken last week, which was at this zone. So I have shared the detail analysis with the community, like we need to look for sell 2757. So here once price comes down we have taken a sell. My personal entry was 2758-59. So in this trade we have catch almost 120 pips. And then one more trade, but that was the loss for us because we have taken the entry here 2749 here on this candle. So I was expecting like the price will go down, but this candle in the lower time frame comes up, hit our SL. My SL was around 2753, and then all the way. So it was the first loss of the last week where we lost like 40 pips. Then we had one more trade within the same trade setup. So we sell again, but this time we have taken a sell around 2753. So this trade given us a good 100 plus pips here. So after that, everything going according to way, then we had a break above this zone. So this was the main trade we have taken on Friday during Asian session. So when price break this candle high 2760, so I have shared the detail analysis with the community, like we need to look for buy option here, and our target would be 2780. So I personally take this trade along with the community. So it was a perfect trade, like there's hardly any drawdown. I just taken a trade and put my SL at break even, and then it was all the way bullish and hit our target 2780. I personally closed the trade around 2778-77, but it was a perfect trade. So last week everything went according to direction. We have only one loss on gold. Other than that, everything was perfect. So hope you enjoy our last week analysis. So let's move to the forecast for the next week. And here we have the US30 H4 chart. So let me draw some zones here and then we will discuss further. So the main area of where price look for something is this 160 to 200. And also this is a minor sort of level here where price is currently hovering, but hopefully price will come down. And in the high side, my target is all time high here. So what we can expect here for the US30, let me dive into this. So there's two possibilities. First possibility is like price may just start bullish movement from current price. I'm not interested to look for buy at current price. I personally want to see the price should further retrace down. Minimum it should come down to 300, or it would be good like if touch this zone. So that would be the very good area to look for buy option. And if price hit this area, then we had the look for buy option, and our target is all time high. So this would be our target in terms of buy for the US30. So this is a kind of a you would say make or break level. If price break this zone, does not respect this zone, then we can look for sell option and we can target this area in the downside. But I personally do not see next week like US30 is gonna break this zone in the downside. But you know, US30 is the very volatile pair, anything can be happen. But I personally is bullish for the US30 and I'm looking for the buy option and I'm targeting the all-time high and looking for some retracement, and hopefully we will get some retracement the next week and then we will look for buy and target this. So this is all we have in terms of US30. Let's move to the next pair, which is gold. So this is gold H4 chart. Let me draw some zones here and then we will discuss further. So here we have the all-time high, and in the downside we have this zone, this area of concern. Also there's a minor area here, 26, 64, 63, and then we have this area. For the gold, I am looking for the buy option because the market is solid bullish and I do not want to go against the trend. So the first thing is like where I'm more interested to look for buy option is like price come down all the way. Minimum it should be 2760. And I'm expecting like once price come down to 2760, it may drop down or create a spike towards 2755, 56 or even 54, then where we can look for buy option, and our first target would be the all-time high area 2790. As of now at the current price, I'm not very much interested to look for buy option because we always need to look for buy option at the discounted price. This is a very premium price, so I'm expecting some sort of retracement in the downside. If we get some retracement, then we can look for buy option, and this would be our area 2754, 2755. This would be the best area to look for buy. But as I said, like this is also the minor level 2764. So yeah, we need to be very careful here. Like if price shows some bullish momentum here, then I mostly be there in the Discord, so sharing my analysis day-to-day base. So we'll tell the people like how to react on this zone. On the other hand, let's say price come down to this area and does not respect this zone, then I'm not looking for the sell option, even though it is a very small range. We can look for sell option a day-to-day based trade, but for the swing trade option, I'm not looking for the sell trade option for here. So another good buy zone is, I would say 2742. Like price may does not respect 2750, but I personally want to see the price should respect 2754 level and it should come down to this level. And then we will look for see if price does not respect and further come down, then this would be another good level to look for buy 2740. And then same, like I definitely see the next week price definitely create the all-time high for the gold. So that is my next week target, and once price touch this zone, then we will see how the price react. Personally, I don't see any sort of retracement from here. I personally see like price would break this zone and will go further high and create like 2820, and that would be the good target for the next week in terms of buy. Also, if we see the COT data here, why gold is super bullish. So you see these are the non-commercial detail. So you see they added 24,000 contract for the long of gold. That is why you see a lot of bullish movement in the gold, and they have only added 3,300 for the short. So this is also the reason like the gold is super bullish and everyone is more interested in gold to look for buy option. So I'm also looking for the buy option for the next week as well, but we need to be flexible for the market. Like whatever the price action chart given to us, we need to follow the same. So this is all we have for the next week. Hopefully you enjoy our weekly analysis. And also we have the Discord community where there's no premium services, no course selling, nothing. Everything is free for everyone, so you are welcome to join there as well. So have a great day, great weekend. Thank you so much.